Can you get away from me?
Hey,
Can you get away from me?
could you not park in front of my house? That's all I
It's
asked.
public property.
Could you not park in front of my house?
Cutting grass.
Well, you finished, right?
Well, I'm leaving now, so you
Okay,
should.
so carry on. Hey, the f.
Oh boy, strap in, because the only thing more grating than the symphony of a lawnmower serenading my eardrums while I'm trying to drop some silky smooth narration is having to deal with a public servant who thinks the world bends to their whims. So, here we are. Now imagine there's something out there even more irritating than a lawnmower hacking away at your patience. That's right, a postal worker going absolutely bonkers on the local flora aficionado. Here's the skinny. My garden whisperer occasionally does a little park and prune in front of my neighbor's castle, and vice versa. It's like this silent gentleman's agreement among us, a peaceful coexistence acknowledging that, yeah, gardeners can be a bit of a noisy nuisance, but give them a wide berth, and they'll vanish quicker than my motivation to work out. But plot twist, this particular mail carrier thinks she's the queen of the cul-de-sac. Details are as scarce as my interest in celebrity gossip, so we're gonna have to slap on our Sherlock Holmes cap for this one. Got a lead on who this street sovereign might be or where she punches her time card? Feel free to spill the beans in the comments. We'll slap it right at the top. Let's embark on a little crusade to see if we can get her to take an involuntary vacation. Because, let's be real, it's high time our tax dollars stop sponsoring the high and mighty act of these professional pains in the posterior who seem to think they're the main character in the tragicomedy that is modern life.
Wait. So I'm parked on public property. Let's see what she's gonna do.
You can record me. What you want? What you want?
Can you get away from me?
Hey,
Can you get away from me?
could you not park in front of my house? That's all I
It's
asked.
public property.
Could you not park in front of my house?
Cutting grass.
Well, you finished, right?
Well, I'm leaving now, so you should.
Okay, so carry on. Hey, the fuck.
Wow. Let's see. 7207468. Now she wants to record me. There we go. 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 She wants to threaten me because I'm parked on public property so I can cut grass. And that's what we get right there. That's what we get.
In the complex tapestry of daily life, few things rival the irritation of a lawnmower's unrelenting drone while one endeavors to articulate profound thoughts. Yet, it seems there exists a disturbance of an even greater magnitude, the spectacle of a public servant entrenched in a delusion of grandeur, demanding unwarranted privileges as if bestowed by divine right. Consider, if you will, a scenario most peculiar and unsettling, a confrontation between a postal worker and the humble gardener. It's a tableau that captures the essence of an unspoken covenant among those who toil in gardens. Their presence, though marked by noise and occasional inconvenience, is transient, governed by the unyielding march of time itself. They come, they labor, they depart, a cycle of simplicity and necessity. Yet, here we find ourselves observing a postal employee ensconced in a belief of sovereignty over public byways, an arbiter of where one might park or pass. The details surrounding this individual are shrouded in mystery, necessitating a collective effort to unveil the truth. Should knowledge of their identity or place of employment come to light, I encourage discourse and revelation in the comments below. Our objective is not vindictive in nature, but seeks to address a broader issue: the misuse of taxpayer resources to subsidize those who, rather than serving the public good, choose instead to indulge in pettiness and entitlement. Such behaviors, left unchecked, threaten to erode the very foundations of our society, fostering a culture of entitlement at the expense of communal harmony and respect. It is incumbent upon us, therefore, to remain vigilant, to challenge those who would place personal whims above the common welfare. In doing so, we safeguard not only the integrity of our public institutions, but also the principles upon which our civilization rests. Thank you for watching. Have yourself a wonderful evening, and don't forget to always audit the law.